Good morning, this is Tim McGowan for the Finance News Network. Stocks climb Wednesday as Fed Reserve Chair Jerome Powell confirmed that the central bank will slow the pace of its aggressive rate hiking campaign that has weighed on markets. Commodity prices, factory gate prices, energy prices and inflation expectations have all begun to slide from their record levels, suggesting to some that the pace of headline price growth is set to slow in 2023. Clearly the action of the Fed is going to be the driving factor for every asset class into year-end and to 2023. Overnight, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up just over 2%. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite jumped almost 4.5% and the S&P 500 added just over 3%. The Dow and the S&P 500 are both set to end the month up more than 4%, while the Nasdaq Composite is on track for gains of around 3%. Despite the market strength, it's pretty quiet on the news front. In company news, further M&A in the biotech sector as Horizon Therapeutics shares surged on Wednesday after the company confirmed that it was in preliminary takeover negotiations with 3 major pharmaceutical companies in what could be the biggest healthcare deal in 2022. Across the sectors overnight, tech was a standout with strong performances from the likes of Netflix, Meta, Nvidia and Atlassian, all rising around 8% on the day. Best performing thematics included EV charger, solid-state battery companies and Tesla-related stocks. And in hydrogen news, Rio Tinto's chief scientist has fired a shot across the bows of companies and governments banking on green hydrogen hype as a solution to global warming, saying the company does not see hydrogen as a serious alternative to fossil fuels as an export commodity. Speaking at Rio's London Investor Day on Wednesday, Rio's chief scientist Nigel Stewart said the company did not believe hydrogen could be used as an energy carrier in the near future, given its production costs and problems with shipping it around the globe. On the futures today, the ASX futures or the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.7% gain. This is Tim McGowan for Finance News Network. Have a great day.